This is already seriously epic. If you don't get the joke, watch the first video. Sirius P5 earbuds with exchangeable shells. And now we're going to step it up a notch with the Sirius Pro. Both of them offer excellent, exquisite sound quality. The main difference is that the P5 feature an open ear design, while the Pros are in-ear earbuds. And they also offer a few additional features. Got the new drip from GravaStar, the Sirius Pro earbuds. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now, let's check it out. So here we have the box, all wrapped up. Before we remove it, we have this on the back. So let's remove the wrap. Ooh, there we go. Looking so nice. So we have this side right here, and we have these two sides. There's a seal right here. And then on the top we have this little handle. So we can grab it like this, hang it onto a wall, something like that. Pretty nice display item for sure. And we have the bottom right here. And this will allow us to open it, but okay. Just like that, will come off easily. Boom, there we go. There is even a protective foil on here. So first of all, we have the charging case with the earbuds right here, and whoa, it's feeling so nice. Like, it has a bit of weight to it, and it's metal, zinc alloy, absolutely amazing. And the box with all the accessories right here. So a premium box for sure. And now let's check out the accessories. This will slide out. So first of all, we have the manual right here, true wireless earbuds, and this on the back, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the rest is multi-language. All the other languages, nice manual, covers everything that we need to know. And then we have all these spare rubbers for your ear. But first, we have also a charging cable, USB-A to USB-C right here, and also a chain. And that's a pretty cool chain, to be honest. If it's the same as for the P5. Oh, it even has this rubber ring as an additional feature. And yeah, it's the same chain. Lovely chain. So I guess you can put it like right there. I think that's the proper way. And then you have it on a chain. Looking so nice. Yeah, and lastly, we have the rubber cups in different sizes. Well, the proper word is ear tips, and you have XL, L, and small. That means on here we currently have the medium ones. Good stuff. So to recap, you will get the ear tips, the charging cable, this awesome chain, and of course the earbuds itself. So done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions, and then of course to a close overview. Check this out. It's looking so cool. I love it. I mean, it's not that heavy, but it has a bit of weight to it. It's heavier than you would think it is, especially compared to plastic charging cases. And it just feels valuable. It feels so nice. The mechanics, it's snappy and sturdy. It's looking amazing. It's looking like straight out of a movie. And the earbuds. Let's remove this to reveal the charging contacts. And there we go, there we have it. They look amazing. All right, let's take a close look. So again, we have the charging case right here. So from the top, it looks like that. So we have this little indentation right here, which is perfect for this rubber ring, perfect attachment point. Then of course from the front and from the back, that's the side with the release button and the mechanism. And the other side looks like this. So many awesome details. And the bottom with the USB-C port, of course, and also this button right here. And to open it up, just press the button. Really neat mechanism. And in here is this LED strip, looking really nice. And with the button you can change the color. So cool. Red, green, purple, orange, light blue, dark blue, and there we go. Yeah, not to forget, here we have the charging contacts and the spaces for the earbuds. And they are of course magnetic, as you can see. And This is what the earbuds look like. So we have the right one and the left one. Little imprints right there with the charging contacts. Let's remove the ear cup, and this is what it looks like without it. Exchanging them is super simple, and there we have the earbuds. And now we activated them basically, so they're lighting up red. Guess they're charging. When we grab one, now it's flashing white, as you can see. And I just inserted it. It has the in-ear detection. But yeah, so I will let them charge for a bit now and then go for a sound test. Good stuff. And now let me tell you all about the specs and the features in a fast manner. So we have Bluetooth version 5.2, excellent reliable connection, operating range 10 meters plus minus. What I can tell you that it's mostly much more. I have excellent connection all the way throughout my flat. Noise cancelling mode ENC, charging time is 1.5 to 2 hours, battery life up to 4 hours, weight 6 grams per earbud. This was for the earbuds, and now for the specs for the case. It's amazing. It feels amazing. So input power, charging it with 5 volts. The earbuds will also get charged with 5 volts, of course. Charging time around 3 hours. Battery capacity 400 milliamp hours. That's 3 times the battery life of the earbuds. Lithium ion battery, and the charging port is USB Type-C. So and now let's finally test them. So let's get to it. Ready to pair, it said. When you take it out, ready to pair. There we go. It has this in-ear recognition, of course. It will turn itself on when you remove it, and it will turn itself off when you put it back in. So Sirius Pro, pair. Bluetooth connected. Okay, let's check the settings. AAC, maybe, yeah, we can activate AAC codec. When you take one of them out, it will automatically pause the video, and you can trigger this sensor. The sensor is right here. When you cover the sensor, it will resume the playback. Oh, they go super loud too. Ooh, wow. Oh my God. Okay, so I have to say they sound a lot better than the P5. Thanks to this in-ear, of course, thanks to the seal, everything is just more stronger, especially the bass. The P5 also sound great, but these are the pros, and that really fits. This is what it looks like, by the way, like from the front and from the side. They look amazing, and they also sound amazing, but with just one. Can you also listen with just one speaker? Yeah, you can. I mean, this is not supposed to be a comparison. It just automatically switched to these. It's funny. This is what they look like. This is what these look like. Yeah, the sound is a lot better with the pros. So if I would have to decide, I would get the pros for sure. They sound really, really nice. Really nice. There is no equalizer going right now. So with an EQ, you can make it even better. So we have the one click on the left for play and pause, and also accept and end calls. Oh, it's also super fast. Check this out. Boom. Boom. Then on the left, double press, we have previous song or reject a call. And on this one, next song or also reject a call. We can triple press. Movie mode and music mode with this one. And with the other one, you can switch between music mode and gaming mode. And the gaming mode has super low latency. On the left one, when you press and hold for 1.5 seconds, you can decrease the volume. If you do the same on the right one, you can increase the volume. And when you click 4 times, you can activate Siri on both of them. So you can activate your, or you know, the voice assistant. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will also work with Android. It will open up Google Assist. And of course, the noise cancelling is just way better. Probably won't make a lot of sense if I, just put it here, but they sound amazing. They sound really good. Amazing. So yeah, here we go with pretty much almost the same conclusion. Yet another banger by GravaStar. As usual, not only looking outstanding, but also delivering on the build and sound quality. The case is absolute eye candy as well, with the usual sci-fi inspired industrial design. Goes without saying, since it's the same series, of course. But in any case, thanks to the in-ear build. As I said, anything regarding noise cancelling is of course amazing. Even without ANC, they will block out a lot of noise, just thanks to the great seal alone. This is also the reason why music will sound quite a lot better with them. Way less interferences, way less environmental noises. So this is the way to go if you want to block out the world and just enjoy yourself. Also, if you haven't noticed, this time I went with a more hardcore color option. Usually I keep it fairly basic, but I think with GravaStar you need to embrace the styles that they offer. So I thought, hey, if you go for something special, you might as well get a special color option as well. Although this is of course still quite tame in comparison to the orange variations, for example. I digress. So with these you will get even longer battery life, ENC for super clear calls, Bluetooth 5.2 for that stable connection, as well as multi-point connection support. And they also have an IPX5 rating that is one step better than the P5. That means they are also perfectly suitable for outdoor and athletic activities because they are resistant to sweat and water as well. What's more, they're also super light. They only weigh 6 grams and that's 1 gram more than the P5s. Just 1 gram more, even though they look quite a bit heavier, but yeah, it's almost the same. Both of them are very, very light without a question. 7.2mm dynamic drivers and Qualcomm aptX high definition and also high resolution audio. It sounds amazing, and it is also a bottle opener. No kidding. With these two notches you can open bottles. Definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.